Are you still managing your inventory with pen and paper or some type of complex spreadsheet? There is a better way to keep track of your stock. One of the many headaches that comes from manual inventory management is it's time-consuming, prone to errors, and wildly inefficient. How do you know when it's time to take the leap to digital? Well, if you're juggling with an increasingly complex inventory, you see your customer base growing, or you see more and more incidents of stockouts or overstocking, it's time for a change. Now imagine having real-time inventory that can have improved accuracy and the ability to generate reports with a click of a button. Not only will you be able to save time and money, you'll be able to forecast much better, which leads to happier customers. So how do we make this transition happen? First, you need to take a good look at your current inventory process. What is working? What isn't? And then it's time to do a little bit of research into the inventory software that will best fit your business. I'll put a link in the description below for the software and tools that we recommend. Once you've chosen your software, you need to plan how you're going to migrate your data. This is a great opportunity to clean up any inconsistencies in your processes so you can start fresh. And you most definitely need to train your staff thoroughly. These are the ones that will be in the system, in the software, day in, day out. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. There will be some challenges along the way. You need to know that there's a time investment to get this whole process up and running, and there might even be some team members that are resistant to the change. Just a side note, you can speed up this whole integration and training process by bringing in on-site inventory consultants, and I'll link those as well. Changing to digital inventory management is all about setting up your company for growth, accurate data, and most importantly, time to focus on your business. Thanks.